Indian troops have arrested 3 innocent Kashmiri youth in the Reasi district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops arrested the youth, including Mir Ahmed and Farooq Ahmed, while they were travelling in a vehicle in Mahor area of the district. The troops also snatched Rs 50,000 from them. Meanwhile, a joint team of the Indian Police, Army and Paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force claimed to have recovered a pistol and ammunition during a cordon and search operation in Rajalkot area of the Rajouri district. Political experts and analysts based in Srinagar have said that Narendra Modi-led Indian government is using judiciary as a tool to snatch the rights of the people of the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, political experts and analysts in their interviews and statements in Srinagar pointed out that the Indian judiciary has become highly saffronized since the fascist Modi assumed power in 2014. All parties Hurriyat Conference has deplored that Narendra Modi-led Indian government is hell-bent upon erasing the Muslim identity of the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said the Modi regime is making all-out efforts to transform the Muslim majority occupied Kashmir into a Hindu majority region. Posters continue to appear in different areas of the occupied Kashmir, urging the international community to take cognizance of the gross human rights violations being perpetrated by the Indian troops in the occupied territory. Convener of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter Mahmood Ahmad Sagar has drawn the attention of the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres towards the plight of the people and the worsening political and human rights situation in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mahmood Ahmad Sagar in a letter to the UN chief wrote, "It is quite unfortunate that the people of Kashmir continue to suffer under India's military occupation."